Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Sandesh Godavi from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Information Science and Engineering, Bangalore. And today let us see some topics in web technology and its application. Today's topic is JavaScript objects and JavaScript objects, its overview. Okay, contents. What are the contents for the today's class? Introduction. Uh, in that the objects are array, boolean, date, math, DOM object, and conclusion. Let us see all these objects in this today's class. Introduction. JavaScript objects. What is meant by JavaScript object? First of all, right? So what versatile building blocks for organizing and manipulating data. This presentation will explore the some following JavaScript objects like array, boolean, data, date, math, and DOM objects. Array represents an ordered collection of elements, as same as the what you have learnt in C, C++, Java, Python. The same as that, like that only. Here also the array is same. The representation represents an ordered collection of an elements. Array are one of the most used data structures, and they have been included in the JavaScript as well. As I told you, it's a data structure, right? So it is also included in JavaScript. Arrays will be the first object. Arrays will be the first object we will examine. Object can be created using the new syntax and calling the object constructor. The following code creates a new empty array named greetings, where greetings is equal to new array. So how you will create the array in what C++, right? Same like that only. We are creating here also where greeting, where is a data type, greeting is a array name is equals to new greeting. To initialize the array with values, the variable declaration would look like the following. So how you will initialize in the C or C++, you will say 10 is equals to some, you will give flower braces and you will assign some values to the arrays. Like that only here also, where greeting is equals to new array web technology, or using square bracket notation also we can do, or you can use parentheses also. Yeah, there is no issue. Boolean. Boolean, as you know, the boolean is 0 or 1, that is true or false. Okay, how you learnt in what in C++, that data type boolean, same like that only. Here also true or false represent a logical value called true or false. Booleans are commonly used in conditional statement and comparisons. As you know, booleans are used only in conditional statement, and when you are comparing some values we use boolean values. Example, let is true is equals to true. Boolean operators are and or not. These are the boolean operators. Some of the useful methods are to string and values of. Next, date. Date represents a specific point in a time. In time, it represents a specific point in a time. It allows us to quickly calculate the current date or create date object for particular dates. In JavaScript, if you use date, right, it will allows us quickly to calculate the current date or to create date object for particular date. Declaring date object. So how you will declare the date object means let current date is equals to new date. To display today's date as a string, we should simply create a new object and use the toString method. So if you want the date to be displayed in the string, in the format of string, we have to simply create a new object and use this toString method to convert the date into a string. Next, math function. As same as the what we use header files in C, C++, like math.s, it's the same thing here also. Provides mathematical operations and functions. In JavaScript also is the same thing. It provides a mathematical operations and functions. The math class allows one to access common mathematical functions and common values quickly in one place. The math class allows one to access common math quickly in the one place. Okay. This static class contains methods such as max, min, power, square root, and exponential. The mathematical absolute contains a max, min, power, square root, exponential, and trigonometric functions such as sine, cos, and uh, tan. All those functions. These are the common thing that we will use in the mathematics. So, and in addition, any mathematical constants are identified such as pi, Euler's number, square root, or some other as shown below. That is math that pi means we can get the value that 3.141, and math that square root of 4 is the 2. So this is the some functions and some examples of the math object. Next, DOM objects. This is something new in JavaScript, right? Document object module. This is the new things we are studying in the web development and in JavaScript. Represent this DOM objects means document object model represents the structure of an HTML document, which represents the structure of an HTML document. DOM objects allow manipulations and iterations with HTML elements. Common DOM objects are document, element, attribute, event, etc. These are some common DOM objects in the what is it, JavaScript or HTML. That is document, element, attribute, event. These are some common DOM objects in the HTML. Example: heading is equals to document dot get element by ID. So we have some heading right there. We are initializing the heading to get element by ID, which we are having heading as the ID name, right? That it will be fetching the document will be fetched, which we are having the ID name called heading. The document will be fetched. So this is the DOM objects. This is about the DOM object. uh, Thank you. If you like my video, please do watch, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.